Hey guys, welcome back to Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to fix a copy of Firefox is already open. So guys, it is a very simple way to fix this. First things first is go to your start menu, right click on it, and from here you should be able to see it, Task Manager. And here on the Task Manager guys, what you will do is just simply right click on Firefox and select End Task. So sometimes even if the Firefox is closed, there are still some Firefox content into your computer. So just simply tap on F in order for you to check if there are any Firefox files, because as you can see, when I go for A, it will auto detect if there are any letter A, but from here just make sure to end the task. Now if it doesn't work out, what you could try to do is you could just simply tap on your keyboard, Windows key and R, and after that just simply go ahead and follow this prompt, percentage update a percentage slash Mozilla slash Firefox slash profile slash, and select OK. And now over here you just simply select this one over here, and sometimes it will not be located over here, but just try to find parent.lock. So you can just simply right click on this one and delete the parent.lock and just simply restart your Firefox, and mostly this fixed the issue. If it still doesn't, what you could try to do is restart your computer, and mostly restarting your computer alone can fix the issue. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.